Whoa. Got her ticket.
Up in the fancy car. Hey, no crazy beeping.
Yay.
I don't want to. I got my glass off.
Got our bag. Got our ticket. Ready to get on the train.
That. You see what I did?
Uh-huh. Supposedly our train is full. I think we got 2 seats available.
We're riding in Illinois.
So 105, you guys are going to go up and to the left. You can sit on either side as well once you get in the car. Miss Eleanor is your car host. She'll help you when you get to the top, okay?
Thank you.
Take your time going up. You got it. And 106, just to You're going up and to the right.
You want to turn it?
All the way to the end?
Yeah, or... There ain't none that's got just 2 seats. Our seats, are they?
But no.
Which one you want to pick? That one right there.
This one? You want by the window?
Yeah. Now we'll get to know our neighbors.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
We're on the Blue Ridge Scenic Skyway.
Railway.
We're on the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. So far, we're the only ones on the car. Oop. Some more people coming in.
What, did she say her name was Eleanor?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, that can't be right, can it?
Yeah.
I guess we're setting records. So when we come back.
Again, welcome aboard the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway as we step back in time. This is a gorgeous 26-mile round trip down the Toccoa River Valley to the historic towns of McKaysville, Georgia, and Copper Hill, Tennessee. We want your trip to be enjoyable, informative, and safe. Please sit back and relax while I review our safety guidelines and general information.
Here's our train car. All the people on it. Look at all that glass on the deck. There's one they're building. There's our house they're building. They'll be done with it before Christmas.
Oh. Uh-oh, we run off the track.
Derail, derail. Derail. There's the bridge.
Yeah. This is a really old...
Yeah.
It's just a globe in the sewage treatment plant.
You will hear 2 long blasts of the train whistle. This means that you have 10 minutes before the train leaves McKaysville for a return trip to Blue Ridge. Our departure today will be at 1 p.m. I repeat, our departure today will be at 1 p.m. Please be on time.
Oh, I got that little generator.
This one ain't got no generators because they ain't got no air
I
conditioner.
know. I wonder if we can...
That would have to be.
I'd like to know if we could get in the... That's why we're leaned over. We're in a curve.
Yeah. You could just step up on in there if you wanted.
That's
Just
Scotty's car. It's the Georgia-Tennessee line.
Yep. I'm in Georgia. You're in Georgia?
Now it's a long distance call.
Yep.
Telephone. Well, not anymore because that tells us how old we are.
Yes.
All right here. Let's go this way.
Okay.
They're not walking right through this gate. I'm gonna drive through the gate, dummy. I'm gonna walk around it.
Does it say you can't walk through it? Oh, it
says
says
you
do not
can't.
walk?
No, it says do not walk through this gate. I was gonna walk around the gate.
Oh, I see.
That's it about walking around the gate. We're in the Tennessee side now, so we're in
Yep.
Coppertown? Copperville? Copper what?
Copperville.
What is this place?
Copper Hill.
Copper Hill. Copper Hill, Tennessee.
Yep.
So there's an engine on both ends.
Yes. So the train's going to sit here, I guess, till we go back?
I hope so.
Just a little bit of a creek running through it.
There it goes, right there. Gonna go under. Yeah. The pedestrian bridge.
Mm-hmm.
All right now. I see history down there in the creek.
I do too. There's all them
I see
crazy
the trout.
birds.
See him moving?
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Sand drying cart.
From a Burroughs blacksmith shop. Nobody knows where.
Ducktown.
On loan from the Ducktown Basin Museum
Yeah.
in Ducktown.
Yeah, sure are.
That's quite a tree there.
Quite big, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's a big pot. You get in there and take a nap.
Sure.
Sinking bucket. Tennessee Copper. Sinking bucket was used during the sinking of Tennessee Copper Company's central shaft. As rock blasted loose, sink process, the bucket was lowered in the shaft to bring up loosened material. When we put it in the bucket.
Oh no. From 1949 to 1950. Copper Hill in the 1950s.
Great. And you know, some of them, I just really like them because when they go in,
Going about to get on the train.
Well, back to the farm. 105.
This way, please. I trust you.
Thanks.
You're going to go up, turn right, walk through 106 and into 105. Miss Eleanor will be waiting for you. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Bye-bye to the Eleanor.